The Acer Aspire 3 is one of the most popular laptops that offer solid performance for a small price. This time we have tested the Aspire 3 A315 model. This model is equipped with a AMD A9 processor, which with its two cores provides basic performance for undemanding users. The rest of the configuration is fairly good. We got a 15.6 inch LCD with a resolution of 1080p. We got a 8 GB of SSD RAM, AMD R5 GPU card, and a battery that should ideally last about 5 hours. The build quality itself is solid for the price, but the biggest problem is that the cooling is questionable, so when you using it you will have the feeling that the laptop is heating up more than it should. The LCD display is also solid, but if you are used to IPS screens, the color display will look a bit washed out, but after a while you will get used to it. Competition in the form of the HP in this price range is still a step ahead. The connectors are more or less standard, so you got one HDMI port, two USB 2.0 ports, one USB 3.1, which is very commendable, as well as the classic RG45 connector and connectors for the headphones and the power supply. The weight of this laptop is a solid 2 kg, which is also acceptable as it is not an ultra notebook and you will be able to transfer it pretty easy. The weakest link on this laptop is the processor, which with its two cores is not capable of tracking the rest of the system. If you are planning to buy this notebook, be sure to look at the models that still have a stronger processor, Ryzen 3 or i3, because the small price difference will definitely pay off. In terms of gaming performance, some older games will work, like Minecraft or some older Sims, but for any low-end gaming, get a version with Ryzen 3 2200U and Vega 3 integrated graphics. All in all, the Acer Aspire is a solid laptop that will satisfy the average user in terms of both price and quality. If you like this video, please subscribe, it means a lot to me, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, see you in the next video.